It's great sometimes to try new hobbies, and that's what I have done. This here. It's a raya rug, a mini one, something that's very traditional in Finland. You sew this yarn on a background and it can create any kind of designs. So I'm showing how I made it, and I have a link in the description to where you can get these kits. So it's a ready-made kit with instructions. That's why I dare to do it, because I haven't tried that before. But it's a lot of fun, and I'm definitely going to make more of these too. I chose this one from the 4 different designs, and I'm now here on that chart. If I turn it inside out, you can see better. So what I have here on the back side is mirroring what I have here. So I'm right here now, and then I change the color again. Here I'm a good bit further on with it. On the chart I'm now here. And if I turn this round, here are the squares. But because this is the first time I'm making this, it's not completely straight here. But I'm happy enough with it. So I just keep going. Always when I have a bit done, then I pull that out and cut them. After finishing all the stitching, I actually read in the instructions to cut them all at one go at the end, but by then it was too late. Here it's all finished, and I have cut open all the rest of the loops and sewn seams, just leaving very little around it. Then what you need to do is to comb through it with a very large comb, which I don't have, so I'm using this sort of a hair clip and combing through it. And I continue through it. And then, as you can see, there are some longer yarns, so I'm going to even it out a bit with scissors. Use very sharp scissors. I have these Fiskars ones from Finland. You can see the link in the description. So where there's two long bits, just even it out. And so on. Then I still comb it up one more time. And then I'll hang it. I'm inserting this stick in the top seam so it's harder. But it doesn't show, it just makes it sturdier. And here it is on my wall. I'm really pleased with it. And if you want to make one, check out the link in my description. Until next video.